Hello all, welcome to our channel. One business, how we can advertise by using PowerPoint presentation video. If you are education, any kind of things, how we can advertise. There is a major key point for every website. First of all, main thing you have to understanding here, each website, one keyword, how people will be searching is first important. How people will be searching is the first important. These people will searching will be here SCP Success Factor Advanced Employee Central Online Training, Success Factor Employee Central Time Management Online Training, Advanced Employee Central Time Management Online Training. Number of people will be searched here. First of all, this document you select from the Word format. We can selecting will be Word format, or else first time checking for the course format. That is the better from the user can easily understand. First I'm selecting for online training. This is the complete Word document format. First, copy this. Total keyword employee center, time management. Here only one keyword is missing. That is called advanced. Next. Keyword building purpose, total keyword you have to compulsory use. In online training, we can promote any number of countries. Why? Because it's a specific online training. That keyword you select. Next, where is the complete mistake you will be fixed by the one by one option. This will be using will be Grammarly plugin. We have to use it. The show will be here. After this one, here add your image. Image nothing but what are the image you design. The image you can add by the your particular option will be here. Select it. We can go for it. Whereas we can use by this option. Advanced. So this will be used for the particular option. Or else any new design will be done by here. We can use this particular feature also will be here. This also will be new image. So image size will be not like that. We can use by the image length will be high and should be in this. Before uploading, you have to do one small information. Image name, right click, upload it. So this is the first information. Image upload time, your title and image will be both are same. Control A, layout, they convert into landscape. Little bit patience required. We can do the video making, little bit patience compulsory required. Or else video will be can't play anything. So this will be here. Next thing will be add your logo. Insert from here. I'll go my website, add logo. After that, logo will be decrease it. Next one, go to footer in my website, home page. Title should be here. Next, add by the phone number. So we can go with last. So we do anything, we can do this option only for we can bold and increase a little bit length. So once add the footer, all footer automatically added. No need to we can changing for any footer. So your once add will be here, all footer will be added automatically. So why we can add in this feature? Major important is called user can easily understanding our content purpose and easy will be contact our phone will be purpose. So any space will be higher. You can changing will be particular space will be also will be required. So what are the space you have? Benefit you can down it. So what are the points you have? Okay, save it. Control A, increase the size. So why I'm increase the size? Reader can visibility purpose. If it's something they read on a PPT presentation, they can visibility purpose. Save. If you go to Word document, in a Word document, you can go with the save option, document, convert into, okay, where is the, save it. Done. Next, important key point. Click what to PPT converter online free. So previous Word document to PowerPoint convert is available, but the extension will be not available by the in this particular extension. We have to go to the Microsoft Store and install by the PowerPoint presentation extension. But it's not right now, not available. What I can do this, go back, close this future here. There is one of the best websites called, please note down, online to pdf.com. At a time, don't upload the multiple Word document. One document, one PowerPoint will be converted. So here, select by document, where you can convert it. The today date. And here, look at this. This is a number of options are here. Which PPT you're looking for? Old one and a new one. I'm selecting for new one and convert it. So why we are selecting for new version? Why? Because new updation. This will be complete for new updation. Once file is downloaded, compulsory you should be writing for get more details or your contact form, subscribe option, anything you can add by the PowerPoint presentation also. So it will be adding will be going to process. Just yeah. File is downloaded, open folder. We can go for it, download. Yeah. Don't do any changes. Okay. As usual, go for it. Right click. Okay. Already website link is there, phone number is there. Nothing to change. Everything will be fixed. Final option. Insert. What we are any? Properly watch. Logo. After this, go to contact us page. Bold. enter website URL. Okay, this will be clear one. Total what PowerPoint duration will be minimum required 10 slides to making video. So total will be into 18 slides. File, save it first. Save as. Here click presentation. There is a call MP Easy video format. So my Microsoft not supporting for MPEVZ video support MP4 format. For example, not supporting for MP4 format. Simple. Go to this PowerPoint to video converter online free. So why we get setting for free? Any issues in the free, nothing will be issue. So that is called, we have another website name is called video.online-convert.com slash convert slash pptx to mp4. This is a website onlineconverter.com. Actually, this will be choose file. Go to download. Look into this. This is converted into the mp4 format. And sir, I have PowerPoint presentation 5 always ready. Can I convert into 5 at a time into video? Don't do that. One by one do the video. PowerPoint to one video, you have to make it. Start. So they will be converted into video. I'll show the two steps. One is the this video format. Next one, this MP4 convert into MP4, save it. I'll show the two difference. Which is better, we can use. Both are will be same. You can use the any one is better. So this one. Is it clear? First of all, I'm making for Word document properly. The Word document will convert into the portrait mode. That is compulsory important. The portrait will be layout that will convert into landscape. Portrait will be converted into landscape. The landscape increase the font, convert into PowerPoint, and after convert into PowerPoint into video format. The video we can upload in your YouTube channel option. This is the we have to format, follow each and every video to making purpose. This is the, so can I add in between the content, can add number of images, you can add it. So no problem. Suppose black something any title is there, related images required, add it and make the video. More than 10 slides is required. That will be length of the video, people can watching clearly. So that is the follow method to making a video option. So that is the useful by the every video scenario. So what document to PowerPoint presentation to make and upload the into your particular website. But if you are using any website, don't follow the same structure. Using different pattern, you have to follow text different color. Logo will be footer, header will be phone number and URL. That is changing for pattern for each and every website. One website will be same pattern. Another website will be some other kind, change other pattern. So you have a 2 to 3 clients, pattern will be change. That is the important key point. So I go to download. Here is that. First option. This will be video and this will be video. Both are same, any difference? Both are will be same. We can go to the online, we can direct will be converted into the offline also. This is a pattern we can follow to make the video upload on your particular YouTube channel option. So this is a method for YouTube video. In next video, I'll show you this video how to upload on your particular YouTube channel option. Any question in video making, this will be useful by the educational, any service related, this will be useful. And you can show something about that one, at the future will be here. This is a particular option. But only one drawback is called, in this video, no music is available. After uploading YouTube, add the music from YouTube, or another feature is called, before uploading, add the music and upload the YouTube. Two features are available. In a PowerPoint pertains to video making, only one drawback is called don't add the music. The music add by the after uploading YouTube, we can apply the music is there. Or else before upload the YouTube, you can apply the music and upload the your particular website. These are two patterns we have to follow in our video making purpose. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.